Embrace bigger power in a smaller footprint today as we look at the all-new Crunch POWERZONE PZ2 amplifier line. POWERZONE PZ2 amplifiers deliver rich playback out of your Crunch audio installation. The POWERZONE PZ2 lineup includes mono, 2-channel, 4-channel, and 5-channel configurations, and all PZ2 models receive reliable Crunch technology with VersaCross electronic crossovers. Let's take a look starting at the mono configurations. They include the PZ2 4030.1D, PZ2 3030.1D, PZ2 2030.1D, and PZ2 1530.1D. All mono PZ2 amplifiers feature SpeedFET output devices and QTD technology that produce big undistorted power. In addition, a bass remote is included with every mono PZ2 amplifier. Moving on to the 2-channel configurations, the PZ2 lineup includes the PZ2 2030.2D and the PZ2 1530.2D, highlighted with aggressive heatsink elements featuring high-level inputs. Both 2-channel configurations feature D-class topology to drive additional power while remaining a small footprint. Still bringing undistorted levels of PZ2 power, the 4-channel configurations include the PZ2 2030.4D and the PZ2 1530.4D. A rugged MOSFET pulse width modulation power supply allows these amplifiers to produce efficient power without taxing the vehicle's electrical system. Lastly, the PZ2 2030.5D is a 5-channel configuration that unleashes 2,000 watts of massive clean power. This model also includes a bass remote. A nickel-plated brass connection with hex screw terminals allows for secure connections while resisting erosion. Maximizing vehicle space, whether in the truck, back seat, under seat, or anywhere in the vehicle, is what makes POWERZONE PZ2 stand out from any other Crunch amplifier. PZ2 amplifiers remain compact in size and deliver high sound quality in every aspect. Feel your audio, POWERZONE PZ2 amplifiers. Bring out the best in your Crunch audio installations performance today.